Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and today I'm in the Scrapmadness video a day collab with Laura and Miranda, and I'll have their channels linked down below so you guys can check out all of their videos from March. Yes, they've been doing this all month long and they're in the home stretch. They're almost to the end, so make sure you stick around on their channels to see the rest of the month finish out. Today I decided I would share a pocket page process video with you all, kind of get you in the tropical mood for what is summer to be coming in a few more months. I made this page kit particularly at the beginning of March for my How to Kill a Kit with Style March kit. And I'm working with all these tropical colors, and specifically this paper here, these three that I'm working with, these 6x6 are from a paper pad from Recollections called, I think, Coastal Market. And I love the green and the orange together. It's a combo I haven't used yet in my Disney album. And if you guys are interested in more Disney, I have a ton of it on my channel right now because that's what I was working on all March long. And I have a whole playlist dedicated to Disney. If you're interested in that, I'll have it linked down below. I also have a 4x6 card that I made from a 6x6 that says always take the scenic route, and that is from the same Coastal paper pad, which is really, really cute. And then the other pocket page items are filled with photos already. So this day was when we went to Castaway Cay by Disney on our Disney cruise. So the top one is the sunrise over Castaway, and then the right one is the bird, I can't remember what his name is, the pelican from Finding Nemo's at the buffet. So we went and got breakfast, and then we had a view from our room of the island, and we were up for the sunrise because we decided to do the 5K. On most Disney cruises, you can do the Castaway Cay 5K, which is essentially early access to those who want to run. There's a 5K course mapped out, and you can run it and you get a medal no matter when you finish, or you could walk. I totally walked most of it, so don't worry, you don't have to run. But it was really fun to do that, and you get off the ship early, so as soon as you're done running, you can head to the beach or do one of the other activities at Castaway Cay. So this is a really, really fun day, and this is the first page for the Castaway Cay stuff in my album. So I ended up pulling out this octopus chipboard piece in the middle, and he is from the My Mind's Eye by the Sea collection, and I never thought I'd use this octopus, but I think he looks really cute and coordinates well with that other green color. I also pulled out a cut apart which I had put in this page kit that's got that little turtle on it for the right square there, and then the bottom one has a little orange it's on foam adhesive, and it's by a sticker by Mambi, which is me and my big ideas, and I think it says road less traveled. I can't remember what it says, and it's very small on this picture. But it's a nice pop of orange again to bring that orange in from the midsection down. And we already have orange in the top two photos, so that works out perfectly. Another thing I take out is this frame. It has a little anchor at the bottom. It's supposed to be like a Polaroid frame, but it's actually cut out of vellum. And that is an old piece from Studio Calico. It's sort of a navy color, but almost comes off as black. I also had pulled out in my page kit this flare that says Sunny Days, and that is from the Crafty Pocket. She recently changed her name, her store name, so I'll try to find that and link that down below as well. But she makes flare and also digital product, so you can print it and use it on your physical pages or do digital scrapbooking, which is really fun, and I absolutely adore her flare. So definitely check her out. I'll have her link down below. And as for the rest of this layout, it comes together fairly quickly. As you can see, it's not too long of a process video. I kept this one a little bit slower because my viewers, if you're new here, like some of the slower paced videos, so I try to mix it up between the faster ones and the slower ones. But there's not a whole lot going on this page. It's just a matter of working with these two colors, orange and green, which are very St. Patrick's Day now that I'm thinking about it, but the shade of green's a little bit, you know, brighter, a little mintier, and I think it works well for these tropical photos. I end up pulling out that Simple Stories washi tape pack, which is in the right of the frame right now, and I don't think I end up using any of it. I just don't like the patterns that are in that much, but they are very tropical. I plan on using them eventually somehow, but for now they just sat off to the side. And my camera did die, so there's stuff that's already glued down in place. Now I'm gluing some die cuts down. These three here, that Geo symbol, the compass, and then this suitcase are all from a different Simple Stories collection, which I think is called Here We Go or On Our Way. It's a travel collection that was in a snap pack, which is where you get pocket page cards and embellishments all in one. So that's where those came from. I thought that green worked well and that orange again worked well. And I did kind of bring in a new color with that yellow suitcase that's on the top of that stack, but there's also yellow in the photos as well as the flare piece, which I think sort of tied it in together. I thought I'd be able to use another piece of this chipboard, perhaps one of these anchors in that nice minty, dusty green color, but I ended up not using that and just putting it back. I thought there's a little bit too much chipboard on this page, even though there's only 2 pieces of it. I just didn't want to overwhelm my page with chipboard. But this is a heavy layout full of embellishments. I didn't need a huge title. I just needed somewhere to put these photos, and this pocket page fit the bill. And I do want to try to fill this awkward space here, but what ends up happening is when I do the back side of this pocket page in a different video, which you can see on my channel, or on the Spiegelmom Scraps channel rather, is the pocket on the opposite side of where my journaling was going to go, which was on that scenic route. So the title page or title card section in the bottom left becomes way too thick. So I think I might end up putting my journaling on the turtle card on the right hand side, because I think that might just fit better. I end up pulling out a sticker that says "Here We Go" from Simple Stories Say Cheese collection. It's a white but clear sticker, if that makes sense. And I also grab a little piece of washi tape, which is an orange diagonal washi tape. Again, trying to use washi tape on a majority of my layouts this year. There's no reason not to include a little strip of washi tape. You can always sneak it in somewhere. Even if it's just gluing down something else, it still counts. So I want to do a little bit of pop of color up there, especially since that was kind of open space anyway. And I don't think I end up using any of these other stickers except maybe a triple star I put on the left hand side. And it's just 3 little white stars together, and I tuck that under the flare there just to give another pop of white on that darker surface. But other than that, I just finish it off with some cute little enamel dots. These ones happen to be from the dollar store by the brand Jot. Nothing too crazy there. I just glue a bunch of those down. And that's pretty much it for this layout. I use 3 colors actually of these dots. I use a light green, the orange, and I end up using the yellow just a little bit to add, again, more yellow. And one tip if you want to do something that's a little bit unique is try to cut your enamel dots. So hang them off the edge and then cut them with your scissors. It really adds a unique look and sort of texture to layout to see that something dimensional can go off the edge of the page perhaps. But I hope you guys enjoyed this page. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new visiting from Laura's or Miranda's channel, and I'll have their channels linked down below in case you guys haven't checked out their videos yet. Definitely check out, they have a ton of inspiration for the month of March if you guys haven't seen it yet. There's a ton of different stuff that they have going on over there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Here are some close-ups of each of the sections just so you guys can kind of see the details a little bit more up close. But let me know what your favorite element was. Are you guys an octopus fan, a turtle fan, or a suitcase fan? Let me know in the comments down below. But thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed again, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!